OMG. Today is the 30th of October. It's almost November and the weather is pretty cold, so that's why our garden is freezing. So I noticed that we still have a lot of upo here that still need to grow. But I don't think they're gonna grow because they're freezing now. So I'm gonna go and harvest. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest that one right there. Sayang naman, what a waste. Kasi our upo did not grow early this year. Kung kailan malamig na, ayan o. Kung kailan malamig na, saka pa nagbunga. Ayan, sayang. Oh my gosh, what a waste. Sayang. So I'm gonna go ahead and ayan oh, may isang malaki dyan, but that one is hard. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest some of our squash. And then ito, sayang talaga to. Ilan pa yan o sana. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these. Yung mga yan. Ayan, sayang ang mga upo na to. Oh my gosh, marami pa naman sana. Mga talong namin patay na. It's been pretty cold. Well, next year ulit. Hopefully next year we have a better garden.